Welcome back. So in this video we are going to look into another chart, line chart. So to create a line chart, you have to go to chart option, just search for line and you will see a line chart. Another way of creating a chart is, let's say I already have a bar chart here. I want to create a line chart with the same dimension and measure. What you can do is you can just drag your line chart on top of your bar chart and hit on convert to line chart option. When you click on that particular chart is now converted to line chart. And now you can go into presentation and you can change the settings you need to change. So over here we have an option to create an area or a line. We can even add data points, and as you can see the data points is on a larger has a bigger font size, because in the styling tab when I go, I had in previous video configured the value labels to 21 pixels here. So this is because I have converted the bar chart to line chart. That is why my presentation is intact. So what I wanted to show you is, once a chart is made and you want to create a new chart with the same set of color scheme and all, then you can obviously convert that chart. Instead of making a replica of it, a new one, you can just convert it. So this is one of the options that is highly acceptable in the market, and I personally use it. So why line chart? So line charts are usually for meant to show you the trend. So trend can be let's say year on year trend, month on month trend, or you can even it is basically used for showing time series also. So if you have some data related to time series, then I will prefer using line chart. So that will crunch down the time, and it will give you a very good visualization as well.